our card works. Can
Welcome aboard Sentosa. Please unlock the station stop immediately.
you want? Hello. Didn't mean to interrupt. Beautiful peacock. Bye bye. I haven't been to Sentosa for over a year, and there's like 3 new beach clubs. It's just gonna be filled with beach clubs, I guess. Sadly, we can't get into the water because there was like an oil spill here in Sentosa a few weeks back, and they're still cleaning.
It's just Sentosa.
It's the whole of Singapore.
Like East Coast also.
I see. Alright, what do we have? Oh, made by Zabu. Potato salad.
Excuse me.
Some coconut juice, apple, waffles, chips, and chicken drumlet, and some seaweed.
This is so good. And it's made by me.
Fry. I think ham better. Just try this. This is the $6 chicken thigh from FairPrice. This is big. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, should have came out earlier. The weather is so nice. Bloody weather forecast. No, because of the weather forecast. It says it's gonna rain at 4, but it didn't even rain at
It
all.
says it's accurate.
Usually they are.
No, I said that it will change constantly. It's
The chicken is so good.
bit hard though.
But still got a lot of flavor inside, like salt. Good stuff. Today I'm being a good boy by not drinking beer. talking about beer, there's actually quite a lot of stores in Singapore. I mean Sentosa right now. Last time there's the stores that are quite far away, but now you can easily access drinks, food, whatever you need. 7-Eleven is just right there, right? Quite nearby.
It's a container 7-Eleven.
Enjoying other people's music.
Play it louder.
It's nice. Father and son beach date. So cute. I'm gonna take a lot of photos today because my whole arm is gonna be different in 2 weeks time. This is the best $6 I've ever spent. Good chicken. Maybe I'm just hungry. Sheesh. That camera right there is huge. To see some people if they're drowning or not.
It's so nice than sushi.
I'm so full.
Scared.
You know, I was watching a food vlog, someone else's, and then there are comments there says, the way you are eating is ugly. Don't post.
Oh yeah, actually.
People on the internet are so mean. And it's normal. It looks normal to me. It's just... Imagine people feel that way. Me biting this. So
No,
ugly.
there's this like mukbang photo type. Only 6
I've actually brought my long lost friend, which I haven't used it for a while now. So yeah, let's fly. Oh my god, what are you doing here? Hi, what do you want? Invasion. Bye bye. Bye bye. You're gonna be scared by the drone. The sun, oh my god, looks beautiful. And the drone shots, so beautiful. thing still works, man. After so long. Still best thing ever. Best purchase ever. Wow. Let me just show you guys the sunset. It's so beautiful.
Taste test. This is some sour tube candy. Why I cannot squeeze? Sorry, hey, it's not. Okay, wait.
Okay, taste test.
I like it. This cost me
Oh.
$8 by the way. I bought it from Shopee.
Yeah, super sour. Sweet and
It's
sour.
so good.
Not bad. I'm not sure about so good.
How do we even eat it? Like,
And this, I sure.
oh, no, but then you
Oh.
will still have to suck the thing lah.
My tongue.
I love it.
I'm gonna regret watching this clip back. My face.
Very nice.
Bye guys. Bye guys. Singapore first shrimp broth ramen. Sure enough. Nice stolen. So that was a really beautiful day at Sentosa Beach, Palawan. And yeah, it was a rare sunset, to be honest, in Singapore to get that kind of like clear sky. Maybe I don't go to Sentosa that often, but yeah, I don't really see that often. Anyway, yeah, I was just taking clips here and there, but then at the end of the day, I realized, it's not the most beautiful beach in the world. It's not amazing, the vibes. Everything is just normal. But what I realize what I appreciate something is, the ability to go out there, have the time for yourself and the peacefulness and like just the ability to, go out there. Because I've been talking to a lot of my friends back in Myanmar and wish this is something that majority of the people, my community, my parents, my family, they are lacking in that, because of the current situation, and which is God knows when, how long it's gonna drag, another 5, another 10 years. And I feel like I'm lucky enough to be here in Singapore, and yeah, I feel like people like myself, we don't really appreciate these little things. We want more, we want to go here, go there, travel to this country, travel to the Philippines, Europe and whatsoever, right? But I think we have, these beautiful moments, beautiful places here to enjoy in Singapore as well. And yeah, I just want to say that I'm lucky to be here and thankful. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed those beautiful drone shots. Yeah, haven't really touched my drones for ages, and yeah, it was such a perfect timing for me to bring it out. So yeah, it was nice. Overall, it was really enjoyable day. Not sure how this is gonna be a vlog, but yeah, I just want to come out here and tell you guys how lucky I am to be here in Singapore, how, you know, thankful I am. So yeah, I'll try to appreciate more. I'll try to love the country, and then, you know, yeah, I lost the words, but you probably get what I want to say. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.